any actor or director you are trying to work with?
I want to work with Dibakar Banerjee. I think he's very nice. I want them to stay under my post. They're giving me engagement, they're giving me views and numbers. Why? I have no message for trolls. नमक होना बहुत जरूरी है and passion होना. Have that passion, then your passion will encourage you to do things.
Hello guys, this is Jerry Singh and today I am in conversation with the OG fashion queen and our very favorite Urfi. Hello Urfi.
Hi Jay, how are you?
I am good. Now your series is successfully running. You have come
Yeah.
a long way. How do you look back at your journey?
I mean, of course, I look back with a lot of nostalgia, with a lot of pride. If I can say that from where I started, it humbles me when I look back from where I came.
You know, Urfi, there are certain moments in everybody's life which we do not want to talk about openly. Definitely, you also have those moments. But you have opened about everything in your series. What was that one moment you never wanted to open up about, but you did in this series?
I had zero setbacks. I when I signed this, I told the team that we're not holding back anything. Don't worry about me. Just keep the cameras rolling at all time, no matter what happens. I told them even if I'm dying, do not cut the camera.
Urfi, there are a lot of heartfelt moments in the series. If I talk about my personal opinion, I have watched the series. The therapy one is my favorite because giving power to many to come out and speak about those things. So,
Yeah.
what is one personal favorite moment of you in this series?
I think everything is just my life, so I can't say anything particular. But if you talk about episodes, I think I like the Lucknow episode. Like the way Khalid and all was talking about Urusa. That was very funny actually.
Your series is going great. Can we expect
Yeah.
Urfi in any feature film in upcoming days? What kind of projects you are looking for?
I am looking for season 2 of Follow कर लो यार, if I can be honest. ऐसा कोई अभी ऑफर नहीं है.
Okay. Urfi, you recently spoke about influencers promoting obesity on the name of body positivity.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and though I agree with it, but netizens seem a bit disappointed. They feel you should be the someone promoting it. What do you have to say about it?
I cannot promote unhealthy lifestyle. I'm sorry if that's what you want. If you are not working out a single day, eating unhealthy, and just having sweets, and obesity is actually an invitation to a lot of diseases. By the way, let me tell you. So it is. I don't understand. If you're 150 kgs and you promote body positivity by eating shit, that is not right. Having said that, I do believe, and I really believe, if all of us worked out, we would not have the same bodies, even if we worked out the same. So my point is, you promote whatever you want to promote as long as you're eating healthy, as long as you're exercising well.
My next question is now you are in full fledged acting. I must say that any actor or director you are trying to work with.
I want to work with Dibakar Banerjee. I think he's very nice.
Okay. Urfi, when we have a conversation with you, the conversation can never be completed without the fashion. You are inspiration to many in fashion business. Who is your inspiration?
I don't think so. I have any inspiration, but I do like Lady Gaga. I mean, I think the way she did Avantgarde was crazy.
You have often talked about your childhood, your young age. Any advice if you would like to give her younger self?
I feel whatever has to happen will happen to shape you into the person that you are today. I mean, advice, the only advice is you need to go through all that you go through to become the person that you have to become.
Yeah, my next question is about OTT platform like Amazon Prime. The emergence of OTT is giving more chance to the actors. Do you feel that?
Yeah, of course. Earlier, you were just limited to Bollywood. There were a handful of roles which only went to A-listers. but now you can audition and get a good role or even leading roles in OTT. So work has increased, which is an extremely good thing for newcomers.
Urfi, there is a competition everywhere for roles and everything. What does it take to stay relevant in this business?
Like, the first of all, if you want to be an actor, then what has relevance to do with acting? But of course, we want to be a famous actor, but I think we need to concentrate on becoming an actor first. You need to learn acting first, and then जहाँ तक बात रही रेलेवेंस की, तो मेरे पास खुद नहीं है भैया फॉर्मूला. होता तो I wouldn't be this anxious always.
You know, Urfi, you are somebody who have been very vocal about Botox and everything, like being very. Have you ever faced setback because of that?
Setbacks because of Botox? Why?
No, not because of Botox, because of your boldness, speaking about everything, giving it back to everybody.
Yeah, of course, a lot of people don't like the way I am, and even sometimes I make mistakes. I say things which I'm not supposed to say, so it's not like it's a good thing. It's not a good thing being so vocal. I have realized that.
Okay. You know, keep wrapping it up, I have certain last questions. One thing, I just want you to give a message to the trolls outside there who are always under your post.
No, I want them to stay under my post. They're giving me engagement, they're giving me views and numbers. Why? I have no message for trolls.
Yeah, just last question, an advice to budding actors, influencers, or everybody who is aspiring to come in this industry.
नमक होना बहुत जरूरी है, and passion होना. Have that passion, then your passion will encourage you to do things.
Thank you so much, Urfi. That's it from our end. Thank you.
Thank you.